All right, YouTube, welcome to Q13, Monday's math correction. We're going to be looking at 3-digit and 3-digit numbers, addition and subtraction, and we're going to be using the break apart strategy or the place value strategy. So we have 697 plus 628. I'm just rewriting it on the back. Okay, the break apart strategy, we're just going to break apart each number by its place value. The 6 is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 600. The 9 is in the tens place, so it's worth 90. Same thing for the other number. What's nice about this strategy is we don't have to do any regrouping. 8 plus 7 is 15. You can use your fingers also if you need to. 9 plus 2 is 11, and then you just bring down the 0. 6 plus 6 is 12, and just bring down the zeros. Okay? At this point, you're going to want to use the associative property, which means you got to choose two of the numbers to add first. You're going to bring the rest of it down. 110 plus 15, you kind of want to be able to do that into your head. That's 125. 1200 plus 125, 1325. If you can't do it horizontal like this, like we talked about in class, just rewrite it. See how much easier this looks than this? This is horizontal, this is vertical. Okay, the next one is 301 minus 134. Let me make sure. Okay, you want to break apart the number. The 3 is in the hundreds place. We have a 0 in the tens. We have a 1 in the ones place. 1 in the hundreds. 3 in the tens. And 4 in the ones. Okay, start on the right-hand side. Ooh, we cannot take away 4 from 1, so we have to look at our neighbor. Can we borrow from our neighbor? No, because the neighbor already has his own issues. So we have to borrow from this neighbor all the way over here. Can we borrow from this neighbor? Yes, because this is 100, take away from 300. So he has some numbers, or if you want to think of an analogy, he's got some money to spare. Okay, so I'm going to borrow $100 from this neighbor, and we're going to bring it over here. Can I take away 30 from 100 now? Yes. But remember, this neighbor still has issues. So we got to borrow from this neighbor. We're just going to borrow 10 this time. Why do I show the arrows? That's just showing you that the money is being transferred over or being regrouped. Is everybody good now? I think so. 11 minus 4 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring down the 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down the zeros. And then at this point, hopefully we should be able to do that in our head. Final answer, 167. This is the place value strategy. 3-digit and 3-digit numbers. Students were taught this in 2nd grade, so this should be a review.